Greetings, wealth partners. Dwayne Chapman here, and today I'm going to share with you how you can turn some more of your everyday expenses into cash flow. And this actual aspect can mean an extra $5,000 to $6,000 a year in your bank account. Okay, and what are we talking about? We're talking about the deduction that the IRS gives to home-based business owners. So if you are with us with Wealth Partners and you are one of our business owners, congratulations because you can qualify for these deductions. A home-based business owner, you have hundreds of deductions, but you got to do them right. First of all, you have to qualify. And really quickly, the IRS says in order for you to qualify for business deductions as a home-based business owner, you need to do like any business. You have to follow three criteria. Number one, you have to work your business regularly and consistently, and the IRS defines that as little as 45 minutes a day, 4 to 5 days out of the week. So you're part time, perfect. Number two is you have to have a profit intent. And that's why what we do comes with a compensation plan. Our programs come with a compensation plan. We expect you to be successful. As a matter of fact, we want to make your success undeniable and unavoidable. Okay, but whether that's an extra $500 a month, $5,000 a month, $25,000 a month, whatever it is, you have to have a profit goal and work towards that. And the third thing, very simply, you have to keep good records. And what we want to talk about today is an electronic way, an app called Hurdlr that can help you keep great records. It's really simple and it's inexpensive. I believe the app is $10 a month or $99 per year, but all of that is a tax write-off. And let me just explain. When we say tax write-off and tax deductions, what that means is for every dollar of tax deductions you have, that means that there's less taxes you're going to pay because the deductions reduce the amount of taxable income that you have to pay taxes on. So the more your deductions, the more cash back and cash flow. And once again, Dwayne Chapman not saying this because I'm not a tax professional, but the tax experts are saying that if you use the home-based business deductions properly and follow the rules, that the average home-based business owner is going to add an extra $5,000 to $6,000 a year to their refund, their income tax refund. So yes, that's you. Okay, that's you. If you're an average home-based business owner and you follow the rules, then the experts are saying that you can add an extra $5,000 to $6,000 a year. That's anywhere from $400 to $500 a month, and that's about $100 per week. Okay, so check this out. Here's how it goes with Hurdler. Okay, and today all we're going to do is mileage, but it can track your expenses, the income that you make, the taxes that you owe or you paid. And then at the end of the tax year, guys, all you do is press a button, boom, and you get your reports. You take them to your tax professional, and man, your tax professional is going to love you for it, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So as you can see so far, just on my mileage deductions, I'm about $6,000 in deductions so far, and I haven't even added in the stuff from my latest trip. So let me just show you. When you sign up and get your hurdle up and running, then it'll actually take you from, and let's just go back to page one. It'll show you your every time you get in the car and you start the date, where you started from and ended, the time, distance you drove. You designate whether it's personal, business, or personal, and then it'll show you the deductions if it is a business trip. And here's the thing. Let me just be clear. Like if you go to the supermarket to buy groceries and you drove 10 miles, you can't deduct that. However, if you go to the supermarket and because you're putting up flyers or you're promoting for whatever, you're putting up postings, you're going out there because a lot of people there and you want to share some information with people, then that's a business trip. The intent was for business. Now, while you're at the grocery store, then what you do, you buy groceries, okay? And that's how you turn personal travel into business with some planning. So, what did me and my wife do? Okay, we actually went on a bizcation. It wasn't a vacation because you can't write off vacation. So it was a business trip, and we wrapped vacation stuff around it. So we were able to write off 100% of our mileage, 100% of our accommodations, 100% of the car rental, 50% of the meals. Okay, and of course, we already showed you how to use your Upside app. So all the way there, I'm stopping and I'm getting meals and getting cash back on the meals. I'm getting cash back on the gas that I put in my car. But here's the real cash back. Here's the real money, y'all. Okay. So let me just show you this. This is Cocoa, Florida to Fort Pierce. That was my last gas stop. I drove 76 miles, and that was a $51 deduction. Okay, you guys getting this? Okay, 5 miles here, five. That's $3.33. Look at this one. 319 miles on my trip, $209.50, y'all. All right, we just do the first page. 149 miles, $97, 80 miles, $52 for 43 miles, $26. Let's take a look at this, guys. 43 miles. How do you drive 43 miles a day? If you're going back and forth to work and you want to mix some businesses so you can get those tax deductions, because do you drive 41 miles a week? Whether you drive it a day or a week or 2 weeks, if you are not writing it off, then you're losing money. And we didn't get into this to lose money, okay? So just want to let you all see that. Another one, well, you get the idea. 117 miles, $77. All told, I drove because I wrote this down just to give you guys some numbers. Over the from my business trip from Wednesday, October 4th to Monday, October 9th, and we did about 2,400, maybe 2,500 miles all told. Okay. And my tax deduction for that, for just the mileage, right, for just the mileage was bananas. Okay. Because that was like $1,600. Because the average gives you 65 cents per mile. Okay. And I paid like $250 in gas. So I paid $250 and I got cash back on all of that. And that $250 allowed me to get $1,600 in deduction just on mileage, not including, once again, the food, rentals, the lodging. It's just a no-brainer, y'all. So that's how we turn everyday expenses into cash flow. And here's the last thing. If you are looking at this and you're a free member with what we're doing or you're thinking about getting in, every day you wait is costing you about $20 a day because you're going to drive anyway. Every week is $100 a week. Every month is $400 to $500 that you are wasting. Okay, so let's that's what happens if you don't take action. So as one of my friends said, if you like to procrastinate, I suggest you procrastinate. Put off procrastination till tomorrow. Get started today. Get your hurdler and start enjoying ways to get paid every day. Because if you're turning expenses into cash flow, you have expenses every day, then you're creating cash flow every day. Get paid daily. You gotta love it. All right, y'all. Take care, take charge, and I hope you enjoyed that info.